Hi! Have you ever struggled doing a wing eyeliner, trying it over and over again, and you just end up not doing it? So this tutorial is for you. I'm doing a very basic wing eyeliner tutorial to show you how you can achieve it in a very simple ways. So let's get into it. For this tutorial, you will need like a very flexible bendable cardboard, or you could use maybe an old business card, and I think that would do the trick. You will also need a felt tip pen eyeliner. I think this is the most friendliest tool to use when you're a beginner and if you want to achieve that eyeliner look. Because my eyeliner is finishing up, I'm gonna also use my pot from Maybelline Eye Studio. So it's just a gel, and I'm gonna apply it with my brush. So I'm placing that paper near the bottom lash line and in the direction of the tail of my eyebrows. I will then use my eyeliner and literally start in the waterline and just naturally follow the direction of your eyes. So this is a very basic makeup. So I'm going to stop it at the crease. Keep your strokes as light as possible. Now, using the natural fold of my eyes into the crease, just continue the line of that fold and until it intersects with the line. From the intersection, I want to drag a line towards my outer corner of my eyeball, just like that. And now I'm going to fill that wing with my gel, just because my eyeliner is literally finishing. So be very patient when filling in your wing. It takes time and effort to gradually build into that wing. Once your wing has been filled in, we need to connect it to the lash line. So gradually, I am lining the top of my lash line. And I want the eyeliner to go straight into my lashes. We're not going to go all fancy here, so this is the basic of the wing eyeliner. And then all we need to do is to clean around it. I'm using a Q-tip with a little bit of makeup remover and just cleaning around that wing. So once this side is finished, we're gonna move on to the next and replicate it. So I'm following my bottom lash line up towards the tail of my eyebrows, stopping at the crease. And following that fold into my crease, I'm going to try to connect it with the tail of the wing. Using that intersection, I'm going to drag that line towards my eyeball, the outer corner of my eyeball. I'm trying to fill that in with the pen, but it's no use, the pen is nearly finished. So I'm gonna use my eyeliner, my gel eyeliner, and fill that in. And then, just like the other side, I will connect that wing to my lash line. Then I'm just gonna clean around the eyes, and don't forget the bottom lash line. Make sure to remove that liner in your waterline there. And then just check everything is symmetrical. Just do a few touch-ups. As you can see, using the gel is actually not a bad idea at all. It makes it a lot blacker and you can't see any strokes of the brush in the wing. You have great control. It's very durable as well. You could wear it from morning till night and it will not fade at all. So I'm just checking and just, you know, retouching a few places here and there. My next tip for you will be to try it, practice as much as you can, yeah, until you get the hang of it. So what do you think? I think we did a pretty good job. I think it's quite simple, it's basic, and we can build on it. Let me know your thoughts. If you like it, if you thought it was simple enough to try to replicate it yourself, and like, you need practice. It takes a lot of practice, but I think these are few simple guides, and using this piece of paper and your own features can help achieve the most natural wing eye lashes that you want to do. Wing eyeliner, sorry. FYI, I'm gonna be doing another video and we're gonna build up on this wing eyeliner. We're gonna make it more glamorous for, let's say, for an event or a soiree that you might need to go to. Like, if you would like to see the next video, subscribe to my channel. This is a great support for me, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.